First warning weather with meteorologist April Madison.
Hey there, good Wednesday morning. Let's get a look outside right now. Current conditions, 74 at the airport, mostly clear skies, not bad at all. This is where I want you to focus is your humidity and your dew points. Not great, but a lot better than it was 24 hours ago when we were seeing dew points and humidity values in the 20s and 30s. So we're seeing that number kind of creeping back up with most of our humidity values at least in the 40s to the south and east. And then you get out a little bit further west and we're seeing it back up into the 50s and 60s. Same with our dew points. We're seeing 40s now changing over to 50s, 60s, and even a 70-degree dew point in Ajo. So it's those western areas that are seeing a little bit more when it comes to the moisture, but it's creeping in for all of southern Arizona. Now the heat, that's the one thing that's not really changing a whole lot today, but it will start to change as early as tomorrow. We topped out at 103 yesterday. We'll be at 102 in Tucson today, 107 still up in the Phoenix area, upper 80s to low 90s across Cochise and Santa Cruz. So let's take a look at what's going on. High pressure has inched just a little bit further southeast of the Great Basin, but still pretty much directly overhead, and that is the reason why temperatures are still going to be as warm as they are. But we're also seeing more of an easterly flow, and as that moves a little bit further north, it's going to allow at least some of this moisture from Hurricane K to start kind of creeping closer and closer, and it's already moved into parts of northern Mexico, and so that tells us that it is starting to get closer to that international border. We've even seen a few thunderstorms up near Hermosillo, and so right now it is a Category 2 hurricane, and we are expecting it to probably stay intact to at least a Category 1 through tomorrow morning, late morning, early afternoon, and then the more it gets further north and west of the Baja Peninsula here, the more it'll start moving over colder water and beginning to break up and dissipate to eventually a tropical storm and then a depression. But all of the cloud cover and moisture associated with it is still expected to come up and kind of churn into parts of southern Arizona, and that's the reason why it's the southwest section that stands the best chance of seeing that, at least in the beginning. So it could end up being just more light to moderate rain, but we get into Friday and Saturday and it starts becoming a lot more widespread for not just southern Arizona, but most of central and eastern Arizona as well. So again, right now light to moderate depending on the cloud cover, because we are expecting that to start increasing. But when it comes to those clouds breaking up over the weekend, then we could see it becoming a little more thunderstorm and convective. When it comes to rain totals, we're not expecting a lot out of this, especially Tucson south and east. It's the western half that will likely see the best, and it's not great either way, but we'll take it, right? Even if it's only a few hundredths or maybe a quarter of an inch. It will certainly cool us down. We'll see low 90s in Tucson, and we'll probably see even 80s for your series.